Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very special video. Recently we released our code library and I got a lot of requests to show in details how you can use this code library. Well, just to remind that we have 38 plus already tools, all those that we have made in these 2 years, which tools are already there in the website, and this is where to enhance the usage we are giving the codes. Yes, the Python codes absolutely free, Python, HTML, whatever, Excel, whatever made, and also for the upcoming 1 year I am going to upload in that library. Okay, so it's very simple. Simply you will get one Google Drive link and you can see there are a lot of things. Our specialty is nowadays learning Python. We all want to learn Python to automate our work, and Tally to Excel is one thing we are doing a lot. Okay, till now Tally to Excel we were able to extract only ledger balances, but with this tool you can absolutely extract the day book. Okay, so simple, we have loaded the Tally and you can see loaded the ODBC. We have done this many times. So there is this data, around 3000 entries are there, 2324 dummy data. So now what we can do is simply, suppose I have I'll show you in the Python there are a lot of tools. So Tally to Excel enhanced and many things are there. Okay, so what we can do is I've kept this in a new folder, extract voucher wise, ledger wise data, and extract ledger wise. Okay, so let's see. Suppose simple, I am just switching on the Python CMD, and then suppose I want ledger wise, and simply I can run the code. This is not exe, proper Python tool with code. So it is telling enter the date, so I will start 2024 0101. Okay, 2024 01 and 31, so 30 days data, January 2024 data, and it is going to connect to Tally, and then it is going to fetch everything, the day book, the transaction, the ledgers, whatever you want. This is the base, and you can see within a fraction of a second here itself we got this. You can see 27 just now, created just now. Okay, so what we can do, ledger wise we had switched on, so ledger wise you will see all the transaction in January, beautifully made, and this I am using for a lot of projects. In fact, 26AS tool, our Venu Sagar 2.0 was built on this only. Similarly, you can also extract voucher wise, ledger wise, almost same process. Okay, so what we do, extract voucher wise, ledger wise, and this time it is 01, maybe 01 2024. Okay, and 031 03 2024. So 3 months data we are trying to pull. What it says is voucher wise, ledger wise. So you are going to get two folders, one is voucher wise data and one is ledger wise data. Okay, so not only this, till the time it is coming I am showing you something else. Anyways, it is very speed, trust me. There are other many tools we have seen. Okay, one of my favorite I am going to show. I brought here new folder, PDF to markdown. Yes, one big problem is that Claude or whatever is hitting your tokens like anything. So PDF to markdown converter made by us, you can simply upload a single PDF. Suppose I will just click and drag and upload a PDF. Okay, so I will purposefully upload a small PDF. You can try with long also. Okay, just to save time, extract it and open. Okay, what is inside the PDF? A simple bank statement. Okay, redacted bank statement, not an issue at all. So simply I have to click on convert. I can choose the settings and all this. Okay, convert, and you will see it is OCR recognized because it was scanned PDF, and slowly this is going to give us OCR conversion, and this is going to give a markdown file which is very easy to understand, and you can also see the token saving approximately 99%. So output file size is just 4.8k and 1.2k tokens. So you can simply download current, and you can see F5 if I type, then you will get it here. Okay, which you can very easily give to Claude. Okay, open file and continue. We may understand this, but Claude is going to fully understand every single thing. So this will save you a lot of tokens. Absolutely, there are many other tools. I think the Python file is also ready. Yes, So we can see, let me see here, in the new folder here you can see ledger wise and voucher wise. So voucher wise we are going to see 3 months data. You can pull 12 months obviously. Master, we can see there are around 6 to 7, I think 13 voucher types here. Master, all this contra and everything is there, right? So voucher wise all the data is here. Similarly ledger wise I have already shown you. So day book fetching is no longer a nightmare. You can do it absolutely simple tools, but very helpful. Okay, so I'll close this and we will also, I've already shown you PDF markdown. One another tool that I got request and finally we were able to make is PDF to Excel. Okay, so let me see where it is. Yes, suppose I have some ICICI statement that I showed just now. Okay, we have this ICICI statement. Okay, I purposefully kept 2 pages. There can be 20, 30, whatever you want, and redacted, so not an issue. So what we can do is simply run this code. Again, this is a Python file, not exe. So if you right click, edit in Notepad, you are going to get the code, absolute code, which you can modify, give ChatGPT. No more issue of reprompting and all these things. Okay, so I'm simply going to run cmd and ICSI statement. So you will get a beautiful UI. So I'm going to browse and let's see, this is the file extracted. I hope this is the file. Yes, open and simply convert. So you can see this extracted, it's already there. I'm going to delete it. This was earlier made. Okay, so this extracted file, proper statement. Okay, and now we are going to see, I hope it is done. It is going to take some time because OCR conversion is little bit complicated, but definitely on this you can build a lot of things. You don't have to worry to start from the starting. Absolutely, it's done. And if I open the Excel file, you will see that the same transactions beautifully came into Excel. Stop giving to I love PDF and all these things. Beautiful Excel is coming for. Okay, so some more tools I would like to show. Let me see what is more. Other 15 plus tools are already there. PDF toolkit, yes, again one of my favorite. So this was an open source tool. This was given by one of the group members and then I modified it to enhance some functionality. So what you can do, masking before giving any bank statement or anything. Already I have marked it here, but you can see it's very easy. Suppose I want to hide this also, and all these things are very easy. I want to hide the account number and everything. Right now I cannot show you the original document obviously, but I want to hide anything and simple preview. Okay, and you can see the masking is done within a fraction of seconds. Merge PDF, split, delete pages, rotate, watermark, signature, many things, and specially compress is also there. Okay, so this is an offline tool, 100% offline, and especially the redaction thing you must do. I have always told before giving ChatGPT or any other thing, you must hide the personal data, personal information. So this is also available, and there are many other dashboards, auto email, which you can follow up the steps. Setup instructions is completely there. All this I have already showed in the video, but today I am giving the codes absolutely there. Okay, similarly link to QR is code is also there, HTML and Python. And one more thing before I end up this video, one of my favorite, one thing that we were finally able to crack. Okay, this is Excel unprotect. You can see password breaker. Normally I do not advocate, but sometimes we are in it. Especially I discovered this when I was in need. Okay, so now I'm going to make a new sheet. Okay, let me write it anything, tech flow. Okay, Excel new workbook, you can see 7 KB file. Okay, suppose I have written here location, just my name, and I have protected it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and again 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now you can see if I type anything, it's not allowing. Okay, anything if I type, it's not allowing. This is fully password protected, but we have the tool, yes, cmd, and simply we run this, and what will happen, I will just paste this tool here and press enter, and within fraction of a second this is going to give me unprotected sheet. You can see unprotected location is there. I can type tech flow, which is the same thing. So this is going to be very helpful. especially when you are stuck somewhere, some important files are there which you forgot the password or. Okay, so there are many tools. There are also comparisons and everything. GST reco is there, batch files are there. Okay, some more JSONs are there. I could not put it here, but definitely I'm going to update it. As I told, 1 year also ahead from date, maybe till March or something. Don't worry about it. You already know how much I love to give the tools and everything. So this is available on the website. VBA PDF to Excel. I've already shown 15 plus tools are there. Small HTMLs, reconciler, site progress, many things are there. Also I have shown Tally to Excel. Daybook analyzer is there. So many things are there. Any issue you can write to us anytime. More simple thing, even if you don't realize, you can simply paste this code and give to anything, maybe Claude code or this codex or anywhere, and this is going to give you list. Also we also have given the list already many times, so you can check out what you want, especially the Python tools. They are your starting point, and I literally can tell from my own experience, they have taken 2+ years to make all of this. But our mission is very simple. You must automate. When you are following TechFlow Hub from a long time, supporting us, our job is to support you, give you tools, give you everything, education, skills at the red 100, everything just for you, because it is our passion, it is our job to do that. Okay, what was showing codex? Yes. So let's go to Claude and not waste time. Okay, in Claude, simply what we can do is projects, new project, and add folder. So what you can do is simple, just add this folder, and here you can ask, okay, allow and code library. Let me change the name. Okay, add folder. Once again we have to do, I don't know what happened. So what I want to say is, with the help of Claude Code or Codex, you can easily analyze this. Okay, name for library, and then just create project. And now you can ask Claude to write the codes, modify the codes, add your organization, whatever you want to do. This is absolutely yours. And many times I have told, any issue you can email us, you can write us, and there is going to be something more special. So I hope you keep supporting us, you keep following us, and definitely we will keep providing more and more value. Okay, and also we are very near to the 200 video, which is going to be very special, very special. So I hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who are wasting time on ChatGPT. We are also going to add a lot of skills here. I am working on the skills, I am working on GitHub. Many things are there which will be added to this. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, guys. I am there for you. For this video, don't forget that there are many more surprises to come. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.